Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Today we have made it to 106. This is the 106th day of this challenge. And we are, if you have no idea what's going on here, we are promoting one offer from ClickBank and we're using a service called My Lead Gen Secrets. We're putting those two together. We're somehow seeing if we can earn a full-time income doing so. Okay. So if you guys want to subscribe to this channel, that way you can keep up with this challenge. That way you can see this thing through the end and see, if it's something that you can get started with yourself. Okay. So we're on day 106, but let's go ahead and hop right into this video. Okay. Now, if you have no idea what My Legion Secrets is, My Legion Secrets is an email service that provides 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single day. So every day you come into this back office, you're either going to see 100 or 200 leads, whichever one. Okay. Now, what separates the two is however many accounts that you have. All right. So right now I have 8 different accounts that I use. I come in every single day. I send out emails in these accounts every single day, and you can get as many accounts as you want. Okay. Now, I wouldn't recommend going out and grabbing 8, 10, 15 accounts or anything like that. But I would recommend at least starting off with 2 or 3 accounts. That way you can have, quite, enough people coming in that you can send out emails to where you can start making money with the program. Okay. The sweet spot is going to be around 5. Okay, that's where you're gonna, things can probably happen a little bit faster for you. So, I would recommend, like I said, starting out easy first and then working your way up to it. If you do have the budget already, if you just got extra money that you can spend on this thing until it takes off for you, you could do so. Okay, so this is what your back office is going to look like. It's going to look exactly like this. The only thing different is going to be the emails that you send out versus what I send out. Okay, because my emails may be different from yours, right? So, what you would want to do, a little bit about myself with My Legion Secrets. I've been with My Legion Secrets over a few years now. Okay, I totally love the service. I've promoted tons of different offers to this traffic. I can tell you that it does work. This traffic does convert. Okay, and you can get started today with this if you want to get started. Okay. Now, the only thing is that this traffic is cold traffic. Okay, so these people got to get warmed up to who you are first. You're not just gonna be able to send out an email and then just get thousands of, hits and visitors every single day. Okay, that you send out emails. Okay, this is something that these people got to get warmed up to. They have to, trust you, figure out who you are, and then once they figure that out and they're comfortable with you, they'll start opting in to whatever program that you're putting in front of them, and then eventually they'll start purchasing from you. Okay, so that's how that goes, right? So don't expect right off the bat that, and that could happen. Some people could just take a chance and start purchasing from you, but you have to send out emails, every single day, okay, to get people's attention and then start get people to trust you and start buying from you. Okay, that's just how it goes. So this is your back office. This is what it's going to look like. Where you're going to be hanging out at is the mailing system. This is where you're going to go and you're going to send out all your emails. Okay. What you would do is just click on select all. And then what that does is loads the emails up. That way you can send out emails. And then the emails that you've already sent out, what you could do is pick one of those emails and just click on load. And what that does, it loads up the email. And then you come down here and click on perfect timing. Okay. And you come down here and click on send now. Okay. And then in this email, there's going to be an affiliate link, which is right here. That's a clickable link. Once someone clicks on this link in the email, it takes them over to your affiliate page. Your affiliate page is going to do all the selling and telling for you. Okay. You really don't have to do anything but concentrate on making a really good email. Okay. That's very important. Okay. So, the offer that we're promoting is an offer on ClickBank called Social Sales Rep, which is live chat jobs. And you guys can come here and promote these free email swipes that they have. These do work. They do convert, guys. I've used these numerous of times, and all you got to do is come through here, starting with email 1, and then go all the way down to 20. And once you get to 20, start back at 1. Okay. And then once you get these saved into your back office, once you get them saved into this list right here, go back up. Once you get them saved to this list, they'll be in here. Okay, so all you got to do is go back to the day number 1, and then click on that, and then click load, and it'll load up the email. Super easy. Click on perfect timing, and click on send. Like my 8 accounts, it takes me about 5 to 10 minutes to send out my emails. It's very quick, for me to send mine out. Okay. So what you would pretty much do, you would just grab the subject line for one of these emails. You would copy it. You come back over here to the mailing system. Okay, and sorry about that, guys. Come back over here to the mailing system and just Control V, right? And then you come down to the body, and then you put in your body of text, right? It's super easy to do. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's how you send out an email in the My Lead Gen Secret system. I would recommend you guys getting started. If you guys do want to get started today, go click on this More tab and click on this tiny URL /MLGS True Freedom. Okay, you click on that. It's going to take you to the My Lead Gen Secret system, and you'll be able to sign up here at this link. All right. It's like I said, this is by far the easiest method to do online to make money. Okay. If you can copy and paste emails, you can do this method, guys. It's super easy to do. And I recommend you guys getting started. Okay. Today. All right. So you come down here and just click on join MLGS. Only for $1, guys. You can get started for $1. Right. Super easy. Okay. So if you guys, I did leave a link, like I said, click on that link and go ahead and get started. You can come down here and just see the results from other people. Other people are making money with My Lead Gen Secret. It's not just me. There's other people that are making money. So I recommend you guys getting on board. Look at all these success stories. Okay. So everybody's making money with this thing. So don't get left behind. All right. So let's go ahead and go over here to ClickBank. ClickBank, like I said, is where we're using these offers at. And you don't have to use the live chat jobs. You can use other offers they have as well. They also have pre-written email swipes that you can use that you can copy and paste over to the mailing system. And you can make money with different ones as well. It doesn't have to be the live chat jobs that I'm using. Okay. So that's just something that's working for me. And if it's working for other people as well. Okay. So this is your back office of your ClickBank account. And yours is going to look similar to this. If you're making sales, you'll see these little blue marks here, and it'll show you, how much money that you're making and all that good stuff. Okay. So today is August the 3rd, and we did get a rebuild today. Okay. So let's find out where that comes from. All right. So it looks like the algorithm, like I was telling you guys before, we've been getting sales every day, every other day, or every 2 days. Okay. It seems like we haven't went more than 2 days without getting a sale, which is really good. Okay. So that's just telling me that the longer you send out these emails, the closer your sales are going to get together. Okay. So just stick with it. Keep sending out emails, and eventually these sales are going to start coming in every single day. You're going to see these sales come in every single day in this challenge. Okay. So sometime at some point within this 1 year, you're going to see us getting sales every single day. We're going to get sales every single day. Okay. It's just the way the algorithm is. All right. So if you go back to day number 1 of this video series, we got one sale here, maybe one sale next week. The week after, the sales were not coming in consistently. We stayed with it. And then eventually, as the months progressed, okay, we started getting, one every 4 days, one every 5 days, one every 4 days, one every 3 days. And then now we're down to one every other day. We're at one every other day, or we're getting sales every single day. Okay. So this is what it looks like, guys. So we did earn some money today. Let's go ahead and go over to the reporting tab, and let's go ahead and check the results. Okay, today, let's see here. We did get an initial sale yesterday in yesterday's video, but we're promoting this offer called Social Sales Rep. Okay, we got over 878 hops. We got 834 unique hops. These are brand new IP addresses that come to our website. Okay, which that means that there's different people. It's not just the same people coming through. All right, we got 834 unique different IP addresses, okay, from different areas, right? We got one order form impression. This is someone that went to the checkout page. They decided to buy for whatever reason, or they did not buy for whatever reason, okay? We did not get an initial sale today, okay? And the initial sales, the algorithm on that, it seems like we've been getting those every other day or every 2 days as well, okay? So it's the same algorithm on that. And then this rebill that we got is from somewhere, okay? The sale that we got yesterday, that will probably be paid out on Tuesday, I believe. So we'll be looking forward to a rebill that we'll get on Tuesday. And then tomorrow, I wonder what tomorrow will look like if we get a rebill from somewhere tomorrow. But let's go ahead and find out and dissect where this $20 came from. Okay, so let's go ahead and go over to the accounts tab. All right, and let's go ahead and check here and see where that came from. All right, so let's come down here and then let's click on that. And then let's go down here and then let's go ahead and click this. Okay. So this sale came from this sale came from back in June. Okay. Someone signed up for the free trial in June. They got billed um, July 3rd of last month. Okay. So this is what I mean, guys. This is why I'm promoting this offer. And I recommend that you promote something that has a rebill as well, is because this has a reoccurring commission every single month. Okay. So we do the work one time and we get paid over and over and over again. Okay. We get new free trial signups. We get, once somebody signs up, we get paid 3 days later. Okay. And then that person will get billed, you know, every month until, as long as they stay with the program. And these people that are staying with the program, these people are actually making money with the program. All right. So, which is pretty awesome. Okay. So that sale came from last month. Okay, it's a rebuild from last month, which is good. Okay, and that's what we want. We want people staying with us, staying on our team, and we want people purchasing from us, and we want to get those rebuilds each and every month. Okay, and the whole idea here, guys, is to get multiple people paying their monthly bill every single month. Okay, eventually we're going to have the $40 days, the $60 days. Well, it starts with the $20 days every single day, and then you move up to $40, and then you get $60, and then you get $80 days, and then you get those $120 days. So it just depends how long or what kind of effort that you're putting into this thing. Okay. So I've seen people, earn anywhere from, 1,700 all the way up to $5,000 doing this, guys. So it is possible for you to come in and make this extra income for you and your family. Okay. So I don't want to take too much more of your time. I just wanted to show you what this looks like. Okay. We did earn some money today. It may not be much, but we did earn it. We earned something today. Okay. We didn't just blank. Okay. We blanked these last 2 days. Okay. But we did get a free trial sale yesterday, which will be paid out here in a couple of days. All right. So, like I said, if you guys want to get started, click on that link below this video. Okay. So you can get started. All right. And then if you got any questions or anything or any comments, just leave those below and I'll get back to you guys and answer those questions for you. All right. So I'm going to end this video on that note. I'm going to meet you guys back here tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.